Hello beautiful people, welcome back to my amazing space on the internet. It's your girl Evelyn Ambrose, recording from Abuja in Nigeria. If you're new to this channel, thank you for stopping by, and if you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much. It means a lot to me and I really appreciate it. So, oh my god, you don't know how much I've missed producing money making videos for you. So in today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you an app that you can use to make as much as 5,000 naira daily. And when I mean daily because people are making it. So I've shared this app with a lot of people and a lot of them are coming back to tell me that thank you, Evelyn, for sharing this app with me. And it's not just sharing it with people, it's something that my family members and I always use. And I know that a lot of you have seen the video where I spoke about data reselling. Now I'm just here to elaborate more on that and also show you how to make use of this app in order to generate revenue for yourself. So if this sounds like something you'd be interested in, then let's get right into it. So why am I talking about data reselling? Now, a lot of us make use of our banks to recharge our phones, to buy data, to pay for electricity bills, to subscribe for DSTV, GoTV, and other cable subscriptions, to do so many things, okay? And what a lot of us don't know is that these banks have discounts when you use their apps to make such payments. Now, a lot of you must have seen so many payment apps that also do this type of thing. And I'm saying this because I have used this particular app and the discount on it is massive. Now, this video is not sponsored, please. I need to clear that the video is not sponsored, but I feel like in as much as I also show people how to pray about financial miracle, I mean, there are also businesses you can do that can generate money for you. And this is just one of them. Now, when you buy data, airtime, DSTV, and all that from your banks get to have discounts. Now, take for instance, now you want to buy airtime of 400 naira from your bank. Now, you get to pay your bank 400 naira, but the bank eventually just sends out 385 naira. That's just an example. So there's a particular discount allocated to different airtimes and payments you want to perform. I hope that's making sense. Now, if 10 people perform that 400 naira transaction, now multiply 10 people times the 15 naira the bank gets to keep. That's 150 naira. And you know that we don't just have 10 people that are performing this transaction. We're having thousands and thousands of people doing this at different times. Okay, so just try and calculate how much these banks are making. Now, I'm not saying you can't buy from your bank. You can buy from your bank. But what I'm trying to say is, instead of your bank getting to keep that money, why not you keep the money? Now, you might not be interested in this type of video, but I'm sure that somebody out there might want this kind of information. So please feel free to share this video with them. The last time I used this app was to recharge my DSTV. I wasn't sure if the discount still applied to DSTV and all that. But to my greatest surprise, I got lesser than the normal DSTV subscription amount. So there are two types of users on this platform. We have the smart users and we have the resellers. Now, the smart users, are those people that just decide to, let me just fund my wallet on this app and pay for my subscriptions, pay for my airtime, pay for my light bill at a subsidized rate. And that's it. Okay, so you just keep accumulating all those discounts, and when you don't have money to fund your wallet or anything, you can then use those discounts to do whatever you want to perform. So most of the times you just find out that you have accumulated discounts of over 5,000 naira, 2,000 naira, 10,000 naira, depending on the usage. And you can also do this for somebody. Okay, all the person has to do is fund your account, and then you fund your wallet, and then you do a subsidized subscription or something for a family member or a friend or somebody. Okay, it's not just your family. And you can also decide to share the website, this information with them, so they can also understand what I'm saying. Now, the second type of user on this app is the reseller. Now, who are the resellers? The resellers are those people who are business minded, like mention money and you will see them, they will just appear. Now, these people get to register, okay, and upgrade with just a one-time payment of 1,000 naira. Now, this is what happens. In as much as the smart users get to enjoy discounted prices, the resellers enjoy twice that discounted price. I don't know if I'm making sense. Don't worry, in a minute I will show you the app. Meaning that they earn more from data, airtime, subscription, electricity bill payments. And also, now that they've upgraded, they can just share the information with somebody else who would register with their link, okay? And any transaction, any activity the person performs on this website, the reseller gets to enjoy discounts also. So the reseller earns commissions from whoever the link has been shared with. Do you understand? Now, even if the person you have shared your link with does not upgrade, you still get to earn commissions. And now when the person upgrades, you get to keep 500 naira. Imagine if you have a huge platform where you guys share business ideas and you're telling them about this wonderful service that gives you discounts whenever you buy data or you pay for subscriptions or all that. And people are interested and they know that it is just 1,000 naira for a lifetime that they need to activate to upgrade and enjoy more discounts. Don't you think they will join? If you share this information with, let's say, 20 people on that platform, WhatsApp has the ability to accommodate over 256 people. Now, let's say that you shared the video on the group and only 20 people showed interest, okay? And out of those 20 people, you had 10 people decide to upgrade to a reseller. Now, this is what happens. You whom they have used your link get to keep 500 naira for each person that upgraded, which is a total of 5,000 naira. And not just that, those other 10 people who just registered as smart users, whenever they perform transactions on this website with your link, since they are registered through your link, whatever they do, you get to keep commissions from that. So you're earning. It's a win-win for you. So enough of the talking and the explanation. Let me just head over to the website for you. So basically, this is just how the website looks like. This is how the website looks like. It's very full of information, so you can take your time to read out about this. So how do you register? There is a 3-line here. So you click on the 3 lines, such as the menu, and you will see register. Okay, so we have the home, we have the about, we have the features, we have the pricing, frequently asked questions, you have contacts, and then you have login and you have register. Now, since you're a new member, you'll be required to register. Okay, but if you already have an existing account, then just go ahead and click on login. So since we're new, let's go ahead and click on register. So here you'll be required to fill in your full name, your username, your email, your phone number, your address, and then your referral username. It's optional. I'll be dropping my link in the description. If you enjoyed this video and you want to support me, you can go ahead and use my link to register, okay? That would just be your own way of saying thank you to me. So once you've used my referral link, my name will show automatically there, okay? And then you set in your password. So you're to put a minimum of 8 characters, okay? And it has to be mixed, numbers and letters, all right? And then you confirm your password and then you click I agree to terms and conditions. Now, once you've done the whole setting up and all that, since I already have an account, I'm just going to go ahead and sign in. Let's fill in the details. Sign in. So there's always this notification that pops up, and now it's saying multi-choice is perfect. Now have a great weekend ahead. I'm always looking forward to all these their messages. So you click on OK. So here it's just saying, welcome to Geonatech. To enjoy our referral program, please refer friends and family to geonatech.com and ensure they upgrade their accounts. You would earn 500 naira referral bonus and also earn commissions on their transactions on the portal. This is called Salary for Life. So just below it, you would see your referral link. Okay, now you fund your wallet, click on fund, and then they will ask you if you want ATM funding, Paystack, ATM funding, Monify, automated bank funding, 15 naira charge, coupon fund, airtime to cash funding. So what I like to do is just go down. So here you can see that I have upgraded to a reseller. So just below it, you would see Wema Bank and Rolex Bank. All right. Now I don't know, I've used Wema and I've used Rolex, but I prefer Rolex because the fund instantly gets to my accounts. Okay, but Wema, you would have to wait or maybe call customer care and all that. I'm just trying to prevent all those things. So for you to fund your wallet, all you need to do is click on Rolex Bank, and then you will see every user has a unique account number. Okay, that just shows the connection between the app and your funding. So once you pay into the bank, the app already knows that this payment came from this user. So what you want to do is just copy. If you hold it for long, you can copy and then click copy. Okay, then you go to your app and fill in the necessary things and send the amount you want to start with. Please always take note that there's always a 50 naira deduction. So if you're paying 2,000 naira, if you want to fund your wallet to 2,000 naira, the money you would receive is 1,950 naira. The website gets to keep 50 naira because of service, all those service charge and all that. Okay, so that's just the little charge they take, 50 naira. And yes, once you do that, you will see that it automatically enters your wallet balance. So here you can see I have 184 naira. So it is from this wallet balance that you pay your DSTV subscription, you recharge your phone, you do your data and all that. Okay, and then your referral bonus. So for the referral bonus, that's where you get to see the 500 naira that you earn from each upgrades of members whom you share your link with. Okay, now my referral, here you can see that there is a total of 4 referrals. So possibly you might have up to 100 referrals, but not all of them have upgraded. But know that whatever happens with those 100 referrals, whatever activity they perform on the website, you get to earn from them. Okay, and if they upgrade with 1,000 naira lifetime payments, you get to see your 500 naira in your referral bonus. And here you have notifications. So for all payments you make, you get to see your messages there. Then you can also read up the frequently asked questions, which I guess I am doing well to explain here. But in case you don't get it clear, you can also click on the frequently asked questions. And then there is this very, very dedicated support team. Like if you have any questions, just click on the WhatsApp us and send out your questions to them, and they are always going to respond immediately. Okay, so here you have airtime top up. This is if you want to buy airtime. Okay, so for the network, you're required to select whichever network you use. Okay, and then it's a VTU or share and sell. All right, so you can decide. I like to do VTU since it's my personal use. Then you fix in the mobile number and then the amount you want to buy for the person. So for Glow, you can see that the discount is a 4% discount for a reseller. But if you're not a reseller, then it's definitely lower than that. Because I'm a reseller, that's why you're seeing a 4% discount. But if you are not, you are going to get lesser than that. And that's why I always encourage people to upgrade, not because I'm getting commissions. It's a win-win for you as an upgraded member, okay? Because you get to enjoy lots of discounts, okay? For MTN users, MTN users enjoy 3%. What again? 9mobile users enjoy 4%. Can you see the way it's changing below? And then Airtel users, let's say, how much do you guys enjoy? Airtel Airtel users enjoy 3%. Okay, so once you're done, just click on buy now. Now that is for airtime top up. Let's go to buy data. So here you can see codes for data balance. Okay, MTN SME, MTN gifting. So you can use any of the two. And then we have 9 mobile gifting. We have Airtel, just normal, and we have Glo normal. But trust me, they're all on a discounted amount. Okay. If you want to find out how much for each, just click on network, select the network you want. I've chosen MTN here, select the type. So let's do SME and then select the plan. So we have different plans. We have 500 MB, we have 1 gig, we have 1 gig. You understand? So depending on whatever you want, just take your time to understand this platform. And then you can fix once you click on the plan you want, the amount just shows. So you're going to get 1 gig at the rate of 235 naira a month. Is that not amazing? Is that not amazing? Instead of paying 1,000 naira or 1,200, you're just paying 235 naira. And this is as a reseller. The commissions is just out of the roof. Just come here, click on the network you want. So we have MTN, we have Glo, we have 9 Mobile, we have Airtel, and we have Smile. And then let's head over to the next one, utility payments. So we have bill payments and we have cable subscription. So for bill payments, here is electricity. So decide whichever state you are and click your location. And then you fill in your meter number, you fill in your meter type, prepaid or postpaid. Okay, and then you fill in the amount you want to pay for. Let's say you want to do 2,000 naira. If you do 2,000 naira, you're going to have a discount of 0.5%, which is a lot. You can't just go to PHCN office and say, I want to pay 2,000 naira and you have to give me a discount of 0.5%. Nobody's going to listen to you. And that's why these kinds of websites are very helpful for, we in Nigeria that we're trying to manage 1 and 2 together and at the same time make money from it. So still under utility, we have cable subscription. And then here it says you can contact DSTV customer care and all that if you have any issues. Okay, so they're not just giving you their own support team, they are also directing you to DSTV or GoTV support team. Isn't that amazing? All right, so just select your cable GoTV, DSTV, and then input your IUC number and your cable type. Let's see, there's this one we do for 10,004. Okay, so here once you input 10,004, it's going to show you 10,004, but you're going to get a discount of 1%, and that discount of 1% falls into your bonus wallet. Okay, the benefits of this app is just unending. I hope I'm doing well explaining this platform, but yes, like I said, I'll be dropping the link. The first link you see in the comment section is the link for this website. Okay, go through it and see how you can understand it, fund your wallet, start trying it out. And if you have any questions, I'm also going to drop my phone number, so you can also ask me a question on WhatsApp, and yes, I would explain to you, or better still, you can contact the support team for more information from the website. So yes, that's just it about this website, and I hope you guys followed me through that explanation. I just wanted to come out here to share one of the ways I have been using to enjoy some small discounts and still make money by the side when I refer people. And I hope that you would also share this video to people who need this information and also make money for yourself. Also, you can make money for yourself. Use that money to start up a business. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this video, and yes, if you have not subscribed, please take a minute, click that subscribe button, and also turn on the bell notification. And until next time, this is Evelyn Ambrose saying bye.